with that hand there. I can do this. I can do this. I gotta figure out how to do it. Come on, get back up on your leg. There you go. Get
There you
back up
go.
there. Get back up there. You're going backwards. That's the first step.
Okay, let's try it again.
Ooh, it won't be long now, will it? I don't think it will.
So
With
as
him
soon as
jumping
his little
like that.
arms getting stronger enough,
Yeah.
holding him up long enough, so there'll be no stopping me then.
Scooting.